Welcome back. Today's video is packed with funny moments, perfect timing, and plenty of unexpected chaos.
He's gonna get hurt.
That sudden slip sent him to the ground, but fortunately he wasn't injured. That coincidence was almost too perfect to believe. A life jacket is always a smart choice around water, and luckily, she wasn't hurt. The board got the better of her this time, but luckily, she was just fine.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Trying, but I mean,
Yeah, I see it.
Seems like the table finally gave up under the pressure. She tossed the bouquet, but somehow it missed everyone. Seems like he put a little more power into that punch than planned. She tried to jump across, but the attempt didn't quite work out. Looks like this one is going to cost you again, my friend. He slipped on the stairs and fell, but thankfully he was completely fine.
What? Oh, you got it! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, don't fall, don't fall!
You got this? Yeah.
He aimed for the ball, but somehow ended up hitting the stick instead. Looks like this dog really loves playing around with water.
Wake up, baby, wake up.
Ay, Miguel Ángel!
Oh, bingo, I got us.
Fortunately, she came out of that moment without any injuries. A little more gentle next time might save a lot of trouble. The water hose just became this monkey's favorite toy. Looks like this bear definitely didn't see that coming. Always stay aware of your surroundings when you're at the gym or in public places.
What the fuck is...
He tripped and fell while trying to step over it.
Oh crap, Annie, look out, Annie.
The slippery floor caught her off guard and sent her down. Seems like he knew it was time to give up.
Tiene que bajar al paso, que eso no es para muchachos. ¡Ande, diablo! Coño, pero...
He's inside a mirror maze, and the exit is still giving him trouble.
I got you, homie.
Looks like this is going to be an expensive mistake.
What's up here? Oh my God.
Luckily, the sand softened the fall and she came out just fine.
You can't find this in the East Coast.
I was busy singing when an unexpected splash completely soaked him. Don't worry, this is simply a water slide ride. One wrong step near the edge was enough to send her down. He tried to carry her through the flooded street, but they both ended up taking a splash. She only got a little muddy, but thankfully she was completely fine. That looked pretty intense, but luckily he wasn't hurt.
He did it with the vape in his hand.
Looks like he just got an unexpected reason to replace the TV. That dog definitely took off faster than he expected. His jump didn't quite work out, but thankfully he was completely fine. Thankfully, he was completely fine after that moment. She tried to get over it, but the attempt didn't quite work out.
Ходила, да?
She leaned back a little too far and ended up falling backward. That looked a little chaotic, but thankfully they were all okay.
Got the sunset behind.
Always wear a life jacket when enjoying activities on rivers or open water. That lamp was made of plastic, so thankfully she was completely fine. Seeing him come out okay after that was such a huge relief. That's all for today. Stay safe, keep smiling, and we'll see you again in the next hilarious video.